Hi, I'm Joe Bartlett, aka The Knife Nerd, here in association with ChefsResources.com, and so today we got another knife review here for you. So today we're doing the review on the Vie Belles 5.5 inch Nakiri from the Reserve series. So what we have here is a VG10 steel, 66 layers of Damascus. We got this beautiful rosewood handle. We got a brass spacer here, beautiful mosaic pin. And of course we got the Vie Belles stamp there at the end cap. So overall I think it's definitely looking like a very beautiful knife here. So we're going to go ahead and see what this knife can do. Alright, so Nakiri is a vegetable cleaver, so meant to be done in the up and down motion. So we're going to go ahead and start off with this carrot, and we're going to work on doing a nice bias cut here. Let's go ahead and cut off the ends here. Very easy work on the carrot, nice smooth cuts, went through real easily. Alright, so next here we're going to do a Julienne here on a red onion. It's going through real easily, no struggles at all. Nice smooth cuts there. Alright, so next we're going to do a Julienne on a pepper here. Let's go get this cleaned out a little bit. Penetrate that skin really easy. I'm going to go ahead and continue on here. Just go ahead. So, real easy work of the pepper. Alright, so next we're just going to do some slices here off of a shallot. See what we got here. Really easy work on that. Alright, so next we're going to try slicing up some fennel here, see what we got. Go ahead and take the end off here first. This fennel's very dense in the center here, very fibrous. So with that core in the center there, it is struggling a little bit on parts, but it's getting easier as I further go down. I think a little bit of too small of a knife for a task like that. Alright, so final test here. We're just going to do a push cut through a piece of paper. We should be able to get through this without any tearing or serration. Should be able to slice through real easy. Very nice. Alright, so there we have it. The review on the Vie Belles 5.5 inch Reserve Nakiri. Overall, you know, I think it's a beautiful knife. I think it performs really well for me personally, and probably also for most chefs out there. 5.5 inches does feel a bit small and awkward for performing our everyday tasks in the kitchen. So maybe something that would be a good size for, you know, a home cook. But professional wise, I'd prefer to have the 7-inch Nakiri if that ever becomes available. But overall though, I think this is definitely a great knife. Alright, that's what I got for you. Thanks.